Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Ryan with spintalk.org, and today we're going to be showing you guys the easiest, most simple way if you're looking to play at a crypto casino in 2026, going into 2027. We get asked this question a lot, and it's a lot simpler than folks make it out to be, so yeah, let's just jump right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is we need to set up what they call a middle wallet or a custodial wallet. The easiest one that I recommend is Trust Wallet. Now, if you're on mobile, you can download the app. If you're on the web browser, if you're in the Chrome browser, you can download the extension. So I'm going to go ahead and just download the extension here. And we'll go ahead and click Add Extension. It's going to take just a few moments, and now you'll notice that it pops up for us. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is go ahead and click on You've agreed to the terms and click Create New Wallet. Now there's going to be an option here. Just go ahead and set a password. Alright, continue. Perfect, and now as easy as that, your wallet has been generated. Yeah, we're one step closer. So now you'll notice over here on the right hand side that you now have an extension. And it's just like, you can think of this as just like the wallet in your pocket that would hold dollar bills, but it's for crypto. So now we're going to need an exchange. We're going to need a place to actually purchase the crypto so that we can send it to the casino. Now I'm going to use PayPal for this demonstration because it is the easiest. But you can also use Coinbase as another great exchange in the US. There's a few others, Crypto.com, and some other lesser known ones. But what you're going to want to do is click on Finance on the left hand side. Go ahead and click on Crypto. And it's going to pop up your wallet. Now, if you haven't used it before on PayPal, it'll ask you a few questions before the setup is complete here. But this is what it should look like. Now, on PayPal, you have a few different options for different crypto you can purchase. For sending to online casinos and transferring back and forth, I always recommend Solana. It's going to be the cheapest, and it's going to be the fastest. So you're going to go ahead and just click on Solana. And for the purpose of this example, we're going to go ahead and purchase maybe like $50 worth. So go ahead and click Buy. We're going to collect 50. And now go ahead and select your payment method that you want to use for this. And we're going to go through. It's going to say that there is a $1 transaction fee. No problem. And alright, now we have the crypto. So you can see that we now have $49.49 in our wallet. So now, how do we actually get it to the casino? It's pretty simple. So all we're going to do is remember how we created this trust wallet that we now have on the side of our screen. We're going to go ahead and send the crypto to that. Now this is, some people would say this is kind of an unnecessary step because you can send it directly to the casino. But always when you withdraw it, you want to put it through the trust wallet first. And that's just because if PayPal or Coinbase or one of these sites recognize that it's coming from a casino, they may ban the account. So doing this is going to keep your PayPal unaffected. So what we're going to do is go over here to our trust wallet that we now have on the side of our screen. And go ahead and click Manage Crypto. Now we're going to go ahead and select Solana right here. You can see this is the same coin. Make sure it's the same one, Solana, on the Solana network. Go ahead and toggle that on. Alright, so now I just clicked on it. And we're going to go ahead and click Receive down here. So Receive. We're going to go ahead and proceed anyways. But this is a good idea if you're going to be using it regularly. You definitely want to do this. So I'll show you the way this works. Is you click on Back Up Your Seed Phrase. I'm not going to do mine here because then you'll have access to my wallet. But you would click Show. And you want to write these words down on a piece of paper. This is so if anything ever happened to your wallet, you always have access to those funds. If you have these 12 random keywords that it gives you. But for this sake of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and proceed anyways without doing that step, just so we can get through with here. So we're going to go ahead and click copy on the address over here. See, copy that. And we're going to go back to PayPal. And we're going to go ahead and click send. And you'll paste it in. All right, send. So we're just going to do the full amount, send all. And it's going to send you a text message code. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which I recommend anyways. So hold on a moment. All right, and you can do all this on mobile too. It's the process is exactly the same. You would just download the Trust Wallet app, and you'd be using most likely the PayPal app. So all right, we're going to go ahead and send. So we're going to click send now. And it won't take very long, normally about 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and we'll have it in our wallet. We may already have it. No, it'll show up right here when we receive it. But in the meanwhile, I want to show you one last thing that we need. So the last thing that we need is if you're playing at a No-KYC crypto casino, is you're going to need a VPN. Now this is so that you can access the different game providers like Pragmatic Play, Hacksaw, all of the providers you'll be able to unlock with a VPN. So when you sign up for a site like JacksClub, you're just going to put in your email address and your name, and that's all you need. Oh, it looks like our crypto has arrived over here on the right. So now we're going to go ahead and deposit it. So we're just going to go ahead and click on the crypto icon up at the top and make sure we select Solana. We'll click on the wallet and we'll click on deposit here. So now you see you have a wallet address. So we'll just copy that to the clipboard. And we're going to go down to our Trust Wallet and we're going to click on send. We'll paste in the address and put the max amount. Show you it's taken a small 6-cent fee. That's why I love Solana. It's very cheap to transact with and fast. Go ahead and confirm that. And voila, it's been sent. So now we just need to talk about the last step and then you'll be playing. So the last step that you want to do is you need a VPN. This is so you can access the games on the site. So the one that I use is Proton. Now it is a paid service. There are free options out there, but if you're going to pay for one, I recommend Proton. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple. But there are free options out there. You can do some research on those. I don't know all of the free options. I know there's Provado, there's Windscribe if you're on a mobile or iOS that you can use. There's several others that offer like amount of free time per day and things. But if you have a couple dollars, I would say just go ahead and pay for a VPN. It's going to be worth it in the long run. And it's normally only a few bucks a month. So I use Proton, so we're going to go ahead and open it up so that we can see what it looks like here. So I went ahead and opened it up, and it's going to be down here in my toolbar, so I'm just going to open the view. And we're going to disconnect from Virginia, and we want to connect to Japan. Now Japan is going to be the region that unlocks the most game providers on JacksClub. But depending on what No-KYC site you're playing on, you may have better luck with Norway. These are the most two common countries that people use. So we're just going to go ahead and connect to Japan. And it's as easy as that. And now you're ready to play. A few things to note about the platform itself is that up in the top right hand corner is where you can find your bonuses at. Now this is where if you took advantage of their deposit bonus, where you'll be able to come here to claim to unlock through our affiliate link, you'll be able to actually claim a 400% unlock bonus. And I have to say that the rewards on JacksClub versus the other ones, Stake, Gamba, Shuffle, they're rather generous. So you'll notice that you can claim your race bonuses. So every day they have a $1,000 daily race. So if you wager anything the day prior, you almost always get at least something. Then you'll be able to unlock your bonus here. You get your weekly bonuses, Your reload bonus, this you can claim every hour. As long as you're VIP Gold or higher, you'll receive a reload bonus every hour, and the amount that you receive each hour can vary based on your wagering. You'll receive your rake back. The rain bot, this is, you don't even have to be active in the chat. As long as you're just on the platform, you'll notice that the rain bot, like here's one right here. Rain bot has rained out, a penny to each of the users. It's normally not a huge amount, but definitely better than nothing. A few things to point out about the game selection is you'll find a massive selection library of games. I think there's over 10,000 different slots. So you can just go to the slot section and continue going through the pages. But yeah, you can see here there's over 10,000 games, so it's really hard to find what you're looking for unless you're just browsing. So what I'd recommend is if you already have an idea in mind, go ahead and just click and type it up top in the search. Otherwise, what you can do is if you go to their homepage, you can scroll down to the provider section and you can select a game based on the provider that you're looking for. Now, if you're looking for live games, I really recommend the Pragmatic Live Game Studio. They have in my opinion, the best live games there are. So what you can do is under live games, you'll just click one that has Pragmatic Play Live. It doesn't matter which one you click. We're just trying to get into their studio of games. So now you go ahead and click play, and it's going to bring us up to this table. But what we can do is in the top right hand corner here, you'll notice it says lobby. So you can simply just click on lobby, and once it loads up, this will be the complete Pragmatic Live Studios library. So you can go to blackjack. I highly recommend checking out the free bet. The free bet blackjack is outstanding. Sometimes you have to wait for a spot because it's very popular, but the rules on it are 3-2. It's really good, really good. And you can check out the game shows that they offer. I recommend Snakes and Ladders Live. This is a fun one. There's also this one, Treasure Island. I like this. They're very similar to Crazy Time, but something different for a change. Yeah, I hope this helps some people out there. If you want to, when you're ready to withdraw, it's the exact same process, just in reverse. So you'll click on your wallet up top. You'll click on withdraw, and now we need an address to withdraw it to. You can see, I think, in the transaction fee is a penny. So you can just go ahead and put in your max amount. I'm not going to withdraw it, but I'll show you the process. You're going to go back to your Trust Wallet, whether it's on your app, on your phone, or like I have it here on my desktop. And all you'll do is click on Solana, and then you're going to click on Receive down here at the bottom. So now at this point, you'll have an address. So you'll just copy it, put it here. And then once you have received it back in your wallet, you'll do the same thing, but you'll just send it to PayPal or Coinbase so that you can actually sell it for cash. So once you have it in your wallet, you're going to go back to PayPal or Coinbase, wherever you're trying to send it to. And it looks like it logged me out here, but pretty simple. You just click on Solana, click on Receive, and then click Send here, and put in that address for either the PayPal or a Coinbase. Just make sure that you select Solana on the Solana network, because if you send it to the wrong network or you select Bitcoin or something, those funds are going to be permanently lost. So when in doubt, if you have any doubt or any concerns or anything, you can always send a buck over, just first, see how it goes. But yeah, then from PayPal or Coinbase, you'll just be able to sell that for cash, and either put in your PayPal balance or transfer back to your bank. Yeah, I hope this video helped out. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate. Leave a comment down below. I will include an affiliate link for JacksClub, where you can claim that bonus if you want to play there. It's highly recommended. You can see through my wagering, I've received back over 18,000 in bonuses, and like comparative to like stake and shuffle, I have not got anything like this back. So highly recommend. I'll also leave a link to our Discord, so if you have any questions, you can always get on there, and pretty much someone's going to be available, to help you anytime, day or night. We do poker in there. We do different rumbles. Definitely worth joining if you're not in there already. But all right, guys. Well, have a great day. Thanks again for checking out the video, and hope this helped. Bye now.